Hi, welcome to Week 10, Financing the Enterprise. This is a continuation of Week 9 and further rounds out our discussion of money and, in this case, banking. So here's a Week 10 discussion. Here are the questions, and these are basics of currency in general. So this would be true, the first question of any kind of currency, divisibility, portability, and explain how the US dollar has these characteristics. Okay, number 2, what's the difference between a credit card and a debit card? Always a good question. And then along with that question is number 3, explain which you think is better to use. And I would say that should just be more than a one-word answer, either credit or debit card, but why? Why one or the other? But why do you think one's superior? What are the advantages? Number 4, what are the benefits of digital wallet pay systems? And they list Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Venmo. What are the disadvantages of this type of system? And these are all good, solid business questions because you don't necessarily have to take any form of payment. I mean, legal tender, yes, but there's certain movements afoot in the United States to only take credit cards and not use cash anymore, which there are advantages to this, but there are certainly disadvantages which you might want to point out. What's the difference between commercial banks and savings and loans? How can a company speed up cash flow? Which timing of cash flows is a vital managerial pursuit because expenses come due, and if you don't have the cash on hand, even in a profitable business, it could be disastrous. And so, why should it be? Why should it speed up cash flows? Or how? Number 1, how can it speed up cash flow? And number 2, why should it speed up cash flows? And I will say there's no doubt that it should. So pursue these, again, question and answer format, and I think you'll enjoy Week 10.